Hey guys! In this section, we're going to build a workflow that can generate multiple outputs from a single idea. So instead of creating just one image, we can generate several variations at once and even compare results from different models using the same prompt. To do that, we'll use a feature called Prompt Helper. First, add a node and choose Prompt Helper. Here, there are two ways to use it. The first way is to build your own logic from scratch, basically defining how the AI should think and generate prompts. But if you want something faster, you can also use the built-in templates. Before that, you can choose the model you want to use. There are options like Claude, ChatGPT, and others. In this example, I'll use Claude. If you want to use a template, just click Use Skills. You'll find options like viral hooks and headlines, mood board prompts, brand brief generator. For this tutorial, I'll choose Prompt Generator skill, since it's great for generating detailed and visually rich prompts. Once selected, just type your idea. For example, I have a sunscreen product and I want a professional beach photo shoot without talent, only product. Then click Generate and wait a moment. The system will create a structured prompt that's ready to use. Now let's move on to generating the images. We'll add multiple image nodes. Here, I'll add 3 so we can get 3 outputs at once. Then connect the output from Prompt Helper to each image node. In this example, I'll use 3 different models: Seedream 5 Lite, Flux 2 Pro, and Nano Banana 2. Once everything is ready, just click Run on each node. And from one idea, we can instantly get multiple image variations. This workflow is really useful when you want to explore different visuals quickly. Instead of writing prompts one by one, you can generate multiple outputs at once, and even compare how different models interpret the same prompt. And that's how you can level up your workflow to be more efficient and scalable. Now it's your turn to try it out with your own ideas. See you in the next tutorial.